This video is a guide for the best, over-the-counter, medicines and supplements for excessive gas or flatulence. Since excessive and smelly gas can be caused by different means, we will also state which over-the-counter medicines are best for your specific gaseous problems. Legumes are an important source of proteins, fiber, vitamins and minerals in our diet. Unfortunately, beans and legumes have been the most affected by their reputation for causing gas. Before we continue, remember to subscribe. The best medicine for a vegan and non-vegan people who experiences excessive gas because of legumes and beans is a product called Beanzyme. One Beanzyme tablet is taken with the first bite of food you take. It helps to break down the sugars in your vegetables and beans. Beano is another supplement with alpha-galactosidase. It's not for vegans, but it's very effective when taken with food. 2 tablets are taken with your first bite of food. If you still experience flatulence, you can take 3 tablets. Beano can be used by persons who experience symptoms of bloating and flatulence after eating foods such as carrots, onions, cabbage, beans, cauliflower, soy, pepper, peanut and more. What are the best medicine and supplement for gas caused by gluten or cereals? Gluten is a protein present in some cereals. The gluten protein, gliadin, is found in wheat, rye, barley, and triticale. Gliadin is one of the proteins found in gluten. Our enzymes cannot break it down from the amino acids, glutamine and proline, into elements small enough for us to digest, so they break it down into peptides, which are too large to be properly absorbed through the small intestine. There are digestive enzymes and supplements you can use to reduce or eliminate gas caused by gluten. The first one is enzymatic glutenase. Glutenase does not cure gluten intolerance or celiacs, but it reduces or prevents the bloating, gas, farts, GI tract pain, and contraction for when you eat out and accidentally eat gluten. The more gluten food you eat, the more tablets you have to take. Vegans can also use them. Number 2, gluten cutter. It has similar digestive enzymes as enzymatica, but with some added natural ingredients such as peppermint, ginger root, and licorice. What is the best medicine and supplement for gas caused by lactose or dairy products? The enzyme called lactase is responsible for digesting food with milk, but almost all people over 30 stop producing it in the stomach. When the lactase disappears slowly, the symptoms of lactose intolerance appear. The recommended over-the-counter medicine and supplement for preventing gas because of lactose intolerance is Lactaid Fast Act lactose intolerance relief pills. The lactase enzyme digests lactose in food or drink and reduces the chances of developing symptoms such as bloating, gas or diarrhea. What is the best medicine or supplement for gas caused by more than one food intolerance such as dairy, gluten and beans? I recommend Digest Spectrum, Multiple Food Intolerance Formula. Digest Spectrum is a combination of digestive enzyme that works for people who experience intolerance to vegetables, gluten, beans, phenol, and dairy. 1 to 2 tablets can be taken before a meal,